Good morning, watch fans. This is Big Jim. I've been away for a long time. Had nothing really to post. I was looking at my watches and realized I didn't have all my daily rotation watches out here. I had more daily rotation watches than I had slots. So I went and got a new box. The boxes that are erect, that are all ruined from when I did my Lume test and left everything out in the sun and unglued all the glue, are now put away. I'm going to use the little spacers, these little watch rolls. These are great. I like these little things. I like the contrast. It came with the standard pale little rolls, so I'm going to use this now. This is a 24 box with steel hinges that are gold plated, probably brass plated, I'm going to guess. Has a little fancy key that I put away somewhere. I don't need the key. I can put the whole thing in a safe. It'll fit nicely. It's a nice looking box. Very well made. Off Amazon. I'll stick a link to it in the box in the pinned comment below. I think it was about $120. Don't quote me on that. Very nice. Very well made. Real glass, which is really nice. It came very well packed. So, that's the only thing I've got to add. I've been dealing with family health issues and haven't really been able to do anything with watches lately. Just got the same watches I've had all along. I had put these away, these 4 away, because I don't really wear them much. But now that I have a box to put them in and have them on display, maybe they'll make a reappearance again really soon. So I was wearing this one today. Keeps good time, of course. Long Island watch. The pilot version, they have 2 versions. They have the one with all the writing on it, and they have this plain one that's got one less set of figures on it. The other one has an it's a B-type Flieger, and it has all the interior numbers that I don't really ever need. I just like the big, giant white indices. It came on a leather strap that was okay. Leather strap was okay. But I put it on this Barton NATO, standard Barton NATO. So I took it off just for the video so you guys could see it. There's nothing new in the case. Been saving my money dealing with this health problem with my daughter and not spending as little as possible. So this was some Amazon bucks. I had some returns to Amazon, a bunch of them, and the stuff didn't fit. The wife didn't want, kids can't wear, whatever. I had about $80 in Amazon bucks. So I spent 40 of my own money, I believe, or 45, and got this for 120 retail. Really, really attractive box. Very well made. I highly recommend it. And that's all I got for you. I want you all to enjoy the week and have a good one. Bye.